Good morning, students. Today we would like to run about numerical function of VB.NET. So first we would like to execute, then after we will go for one by one coding, explain about all that things. As you know that when I execute this particular VB.NET form, the form title is numerical functions of VB.NET. Oh my god, it is date and time, sorry. Solution export, right click, property, numerical functions is required. So now I execute it. In front of you, there is a numerical functions demonstration is there. This is textbooks 1, 2, label 1, label 2, label 3 is there. And these are the button, minimum button, maximum button, absolute button, logarithm button, square root, power, round, ceiling, floor, and all. So let me start about some of the value, that is 12, 20, min, then minimum value comes. If I use 0, then minimum value is 0. If I use minus 25, then minus 25 is a minimum value. Same one, this is a maximum value. If I put it down here, 250, then maximum value is 250. And in case, if I use minus 50, then maximum value is minus 25. In negative value, that is also showing that maximum value, that is minus 25, minus 50 is a minimum value of it. So this is the thing. Now, we would like to demonstrate about absolute function. What do you mean by absolute function? It converts your negative value into the positive value. So when I click on 50, my input is minus 50. But the function of absolute function, numerical function, is that it always converts any negative value into the positive. If I use 52 and absolute, there is no change. But if I provide minus 125 and absolute is there, then it will show me the 125 in my level 3. So if I use 10, this is a logarithm. So the log 10 is 1. If I use 20, then logarithm value is 0.13 something something something. And the main thing is if I use 16 and if I click on SQRT means square root. It will provide me square root properly. If I give 25, then 5 is there. If I give 20, then it will find it out the perfect square root of 4.47135954 So this is the square root function of numerical value. Now if I go for 4 raised to 2, power function we would like to demonstrate. 4 raised to 2 means 4 multiply 4, that is 16. Yes. And if I will go and I will go for 3, then 2 raised to 3. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 multiply 2, 8. 8 will be there. So fine. And it will give me the proper value 125 raised to 3. Then the output is this. You can know that 1,95,000. Sorry, 19,53,125 is the value of 125 cube. So these are the things. Power function is done. Now let me understand about that round function, ceiling function, and floor function. This is very nice. 3.2352. And when I click on this 235, after 5 there is 2, so it is as it is. But if I will provide just 6, the value will be 3.236. Look, so auto adjustment. After 0.3 digits I require in my coding, I provide it, and then after I will execute that things properly. If my value is 5, round is 6. But if I will go for 4, it will be again 235 only. Look, this is the output. Now let me understand about that ceiling. Ceiling means the part of your house that is upwards, where fan, tube lights and all that things is there, that is called ceiling. So ceiling means if you are providing 3.001254 and I will go for click on ceiling, it will convert into 4. Yes, the nearest highest integer, I repeat, nearest highest integer, the value is 3.00125448. So It will not cover round, but it will provide me the nearest highest integer. Not only this, if you will provide 0001, the ceiling is 4. If you will provide 3.99999, it is 4. So ceiling, chat, where fan and all that things is there. So this is the ceiling value. And what do you mean by floor? The value is 3.9999, and when I click on floor, it will give me the answer 3. Look, floor means flooring, where tiles and all that things is available at your room. That is floor. So this is round down and this is round up. It will provide only integer value. Ceiling provide highest integer value, nearest highest integer value, and floor provide nearest lowest integer value. My number is 3.9999. It should give me 4, but you can see that it provides 3 because we choose floor function. Floor, downwards, nearest smallest integer. Ceiling, nearest highest integer. Even you provide 3.001, then it will be 4 when I click on ceiling. Fine. And in round, you can say that one. If you will provide 001, then it will give me 3.00. Okay. If you will provide then 35236, something like this, then round. After point 3 digits I set in my argument. Whenever I will explain this, you can see that one. And you can see that one. 532. After 2 there is a 6. 6 is more than 5. So it round up and it increase the 2 value with 3.533. So this is a random function that is very special. We will cover it later down. So we just close this and try to understand each and everything. It's a very simple functions. Label 3 math.mean value of textbox 1 dot text, value of textbox 2 dot text means it will find it out the smallest value between textbox 1 and 2. The same thing, math is a keyword for numerical function. Dot max value function is there, and out of 2, textbox 1 and textbox 2, it will give me the maximum value both of this. Then after, absolute value function is very simple. As you can see that one, this is my output, where comes output comes label 3 dot text. Math is a numerical library functions class, so I have to write down math. Then after I provide abs means absolute, and value of textbox 1 dot text means in textbox 1 is any negative value is there, then it convert into the positive and it give it to me. The same thing, we would like to go for a square root function, and for square root function, as you know, this is a label 3 dot text is my output. Math is a numerical library class, so we have to give this math base class. Then after, the function name is sqrt, square root. Then value of textbox 1 dot text means if you will provide 16, that square root of 16 is 4, and it will provide you that things. Next is logarithm. This is my output. Math is my class library. Log 10 is a function. Value of textbox 1 dot text. So whatever the value you will provide into the textbox 1, it will convert into the logarithm value and it will show it to my label 3. Now it is very important that power function required 2 arguments. So concentrate. Label 3 dot text. Math is a class library for numerical. POW, power, those 3 character. Power, value of textbox 3 dot text, comma, value of textbox 2 dot text. It means your textbox 1 dot text is a base value and textbox 2 dot text is your raise value. So 2 raised to 3, 2 multiply 2, it will be 8. Output is there. Then roundup function is there, and as I already explained that I will explain within this. Here I want 3 digits. So label 3 dot text, my output will come. Math is a class library for numerical function. Then round, ROUND, into the bracket, value of textbox 2, textbox 1 dot text, comma, how many digits you require. If you require 3 digit, then 3 digit, and if you want to make it as a 2, just make it 2, and I'd like to run in front of you all. And to 3.69255547. After 9, there is 2 only. So the answer will be 3.69 only, around. Yes. But if I will change with 5, the answer will be 3.70. Okay. 3.70 means 3.7. So this is very nice that explained by that round. Now let me understand about ceiling and floor function. That is very common and very nice also. Nothing to write. This is level 3.text output. Math is a class library for numerical. Ceiling is a function, and value of textbox1.text. So whatever the value you will pick it, it is represent the highest nearest integer value. Suppose you enter 3.11112 and you press ceiling, it will represent as 4 because ceiling value 3.1 something, so the ceiling value will be 4. And the same way, this is my floor function. So if you want to learn your all library function with your own self, then math dot absolute, a cos, a sine theta, a tan theta, a tan 2, ceiling is there, cos trigonometry is there, exponential value, floor, log 10, max, mean, we will take power take, or we will take round take, sine theta, signage, square root we represent, and 10 is not there, so truncate. After all that things, you will get, when you provide that base class library math, you can able to use any function. But as a part of the examination concept, in examination, question may be asked, explain any 5 numerical function. So that is very nice. Mean, max, ABS, square root, power, log. If you take round, you will automatically remember ceiling and floor. Round, there is 2 argument. Power, there is 2 argument. Rest of function, there is only 1 argument, that is normal. For minimum and maximum, you will take 2 textbooks, so 2 arguments are there. So my friends, here we completed the particularly numerical functions, this 9 numerical functions I demonstrated. Now let me explore about this random function. And random function is really very, very nice that I prepare a game. When you click on random function, look it out, it will generate one random number by computer itself, and it will show in my level 3. And then after, you will enter some your guess number into this text box 1, and let me check that your guess number is equal to level 3. Then you win. It is a one type of game that I prepare for you guys. So first of all, we click on that, and the real logic is just here. Label 3.text equal to integer 10 multiply rand. Means I'm putting down comments, so please be concentrate. It generate any random number between 1 to 10 assigned to label 3. And then after I put some validations and all that things, if textbox1.text is empty, then it will show me this message. For random number game, you must enter number between 1 to 10. Okay, then after I put it down this thing, if is numeric textbox1.text means suppose anyone enter 1 Abhi, 2 Jeep, 3 Jadeja. It is not a number, numerical number. So it is numerical value. Function I put it down, and message box will come. Please enter only numeric data between 1 to 10 only. Critical, your data is wrong. Textbox 1 clear hoga. Textbox 1 focus, and the rest my random number will generate and apply to label 3. And then after this is a really very nice logic, whatever the highlighting that myself. If value of textbox1.text means you entered, you guess, and the computer number between 1 to 10 is same, the message, hey, you are a winner, informative, you are a winner, you win the game, whatever you want to write down. So I'm just change the title so it will be not same. You win the game and you lose the game. Text box 1 will be clear, text box 1 will one focus is there, and for next game it will be like that. So let me play this game and try to understand the logic. Random number will generate between 1 to 10 only. So I run. I enter nothing. For random number game, you must enter number between 1 to 10 in text box 1. Means you cannot leave it blank. Okay. I enter 8. Abhi. Your data is not numeric. Please enter only numeric data between 1 to 10. And if I enter 5 and I will check random, better luck next time. Why? Because computer generates 7 and I input 5. So my entry, my guess and computer guess is not matched. So I lose the game. I'm a loser and you lose the game. So, okay. Now I guess 9 and click on random. Computer generate 5 and my guess is 9. Better luck next time. I lose the game. Okay. Now I enter 1 and check random. Better luck next time because computer again pick up 5. And if I take 7 and check. Better luck next time because computer take output as 2. So if I play so many times, suppose I enter 3 and check. Yes. After 4 to 5 times, my luck is active and I guess 3 number, computer generate 3 number. Hey, you are winner. You win the game. So this is a random number. How to generate the random number between 1 to 10. So I use this logic for the game of numbers function and here I put 10. If you want to generate the game for between 1 to 100, you just put 100 over here. It generates the random number between 1 to 10 and if you provide 100 then it will generate, computer will generate the random number between 1 to 100. So fine, this is a random function. Random function is used with only R and D bracket start bracket over, but it always requires the range between 1 to 10. If you will provide 25 over here, so it will generate 25. Random number between 1 to 25 only. Look, if I take 25, then 25 is there. And would like to start the game. No doubt there is a very less probability to win, but I enter 21. Computer generates 70. If I enter 20, computer generated 13. You can see that this is 13, computer generated number. Suppose I enter 7, computer generate 14. So each and every time, computer will generate the number between 1 to 25 only because you will provide the limitation for random function that 25. Computer will generate between 1 to 25. If you enter 10, then as it is, the 10 numbers and your game will start for guessing the number between 1 to 10 and numerical function is done. So you understand these are the all 9 functions that is normal. I select that things. Random number is very nice program that computer generates some number, random number, and it will shows that one. So many times lottery numbers generated by computer itself, and if that lottery number is matched with any candidate, he or she will be the winner for that. But for examination purpose, minimum, maximum, to find minimum, maximum value, absolute logarithm, absolute convert your negative value into positive, logarithm comes for a return log value, square root, it will provide the square root of any input number, POW, power, it will always provide base number and raised number, textbooks 1, 2, textbooks 3, textbooks 2, 3, 2 raised to 3, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, it will 8. Then round, ceiling and floor. Round is a precision value, decimal value after point, how many digits you require. Suppose you require 3 digit after point, then it will automatically convert round up and round down, because if after 3 digit or 2 digit number is 5 or more than 5, it will increase automatically, and after that 3 digit or 2 digit your number is less than 5, it will shows that as it is. Ceiling is a particular function that provide the nearest highest integer. Suppose you provide 3.001, it will return me 4, because ceiling of your house. And floor, if you provide 3.99999, but it will always return 3, because it is a floor function, floor of your house. So these are the 9 functions of numerical functions. Thank you so much, all of you. Thanks a lot.